Hi everyone, I will show you how to add color background to text on Instagram story. Open Instagram app, then swipe right and take a picture. Now tap the A icon on the top and type. If you want to take a background, then tap the A icon on the top. If you want to change the background color, tap the color icon in the left. Now you can adjust any color. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.